Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming age and contact info so verification can proceed. Next, enable two-step verification in account settings and verify your email and phone. This reduces friction when requesting voice chat. Once done, check device permissions for microphone access and install the latest Roblox client on PC or mobile. Make sure your Roblox region supports voice features. If not, use a supported region settings. These first actions unlock the verification flow and prepare your device for voice access. Now focus on completing Roblox's verification flow, which may include uploading a photo ID and a selfie that matches the ID. Follow prompts carefully to avoid rejection. Once your submission is pending, check email for status updates and allow up to several days for review. Meanwhile, open privacy settings in Roblox and toggle voice chat to request access so the platform links verification to the feature. Also, make sure your operating system grants microphone permission and run a quick recorder test to confirm audio. Finally, after approval, join a voice-enabled Roblox experience and accept the in-game permission prompt to start chatting. Adjust input/output levels in both Roblox and your OS so others hear you clearly. If your request is rejected, read the rejection reason, fix any ID or selfie mismatch, and resubmit promptly. Repeated mistakes slow approval. If voice still fails after approval, restart the client, update the app, clear cache, and verify firewall or antivirus isn't blocking audio. Contact Roblox support with your verification ID only as a last step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.